The time has come. The Phalanx Expo has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's all been leading to this. Welcome to the Phalanx Expo.
Yeah! wasn't going to catch a bus, was I? My esteemed guests, tonight Phalanx show you, through our investigations into the Nemesis asset, the bright future it has created. Tonight we advance onwards, and I, John Dalton, as CEO of Phalanx, promise you, and all of you watching around the world, a truly explosive celebration. We know who has the power here. Ladies and gentlemen, let the Phalanx Expo begin! It's been quite the journey to get here. So before we go forward, let's look back on what we and the Nemesis asset have shared on the road that led us to tonight.
In 1994, Alton Towers was disturbed by an interdimensional alien being, Nemesis. Phalanx troops secured the beast, and all came to witness her might.
Y'all ready for this?
Nemesis is closed.
After 30 years of secure observation, Nemesis began mutating at a rapid pace. Phalanx scientists from across the globe sought to understand her, learn from her, and ensure her survival. And in 2024, Nemesis was reborn. Working together to ensure the future of planet Earth.
How far we've come. After years of our painstaking research, years in which you put your trust in Phalanx, the time has come to showcase our results. Nemesis asset showed the world that alien life exists, and now we sit on the precipice of destruction. Planet Earth must stand ready against a volatile universe. Tonight, the Phalanx Expo send a message to the cosmos. Earth is defended. Protection against alien life, made from alien lives. Let me show you the future. As Phalanx introduces the Intergalactic Defense Program. Presenting Protocol 1, Light Speed Missiles.
About it, so many people do be cool, man, look smarter.
unidentified spacecraft advancing to current position at 370,000 miles per hour.
Set no alarms. It's time to get them off. Presenting Protocol 2. The disintegration room.
Required. Unidentified spacecraft breaching Earth atmosphere.
What is that?
We've got a problem. Something on the radar.
This doesn't stop. Load Protocol 3. Bioshield.
When you call me, there's a place I go. It's a different high. Oh no. When you touch me, I get drunk in a different way.
Transmission from spacecraft. Translation in progress.
The ship is directly above us. It's locked onto this location.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Sir, I suggest we implement a country 90.
Translation in progress.
Can we bring our attention back to the presentation?
Translation complete. Message reads: Phalanx, prepare for annihilation.
Civilians, stay where you are. I guarantee Phalanx will protect you every step of the way. Code red! Code red! All Phalanx troops to battle formations.
Alert, alert. Battle protocol initiated. All Phalanx troops to Expo Arena. failure. System failure. System failure.
Leaving together, but it's still farewell. And maybe we'll come back to if you can't tell. I guess there is no one to blame. We're leaving the ground. Will things ever be the same again? It's the final countdown.
That's the best you got? And let me unveil tonight's grand finale. Our secret weapon. An alien creature born of destruction. Her potential harnessed by Phalanx. The time has come. Activate the ultimate weapon. Nemesis!
Nemesis unleashed. Weaponry activated. Spacecraft. Weaponry impact. Defense action. Engage. Spacecraft integrity 70%. Spacecraft integrity 30%. Spacecraft integrity 10%. Nemesis engage. Total destruction. Spacecraft obliterated. Threat neutralized.
Ladies and gentlemen, I said tonight would be explosive. And we showed E.T. who's boss. Here, at the Phalanx Expo, you witness the future. And from tonight, Phalanx will advance onwards into the universe. To protect, to conquer. With Nemesis by our side, we will rise like a phoenix together. I am Phalanx. You are Phalanx. The future is Phalanx!
Are we human? Or are we desperate? My side is right on. My hands are cold, and I
ship was taking me far away from the memories of the people who care if I live or die. The starlight, I will be chasing a starlight until the end of my life. I don't know if it's worth it anymore. I just wanted to. I just wanted to.
I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx. I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx. I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx.
I am Phalanx.
I am
I am Phalanx. I am Phalanx. I am Phalanx. I am Phalanx.
We hope you enjoyed the Phalanx Expo, presented by Alton Towers Resort. Oh, there's just one more thing. Submit to the spin. New ride time, 2025.
Hello there! We hope you enjoyed the ultimate fireworks spectacular.